You might think, what are these tags? And they're actually the most amazing thing. They are AirTags for Android, and they're one of my favorite things, especially because I have so many different things going on in my life, and these kind of help me just keep track of everything. So these are the ones by Keope. And these were actually gifted to me from the brand, but it's always so wicked master. So what I really love about these is, one, you're gonna get the holder. So this can actually be used on a keychain. You can put it really like on a backpack, on a purse. I like to put it in my car just to see like where I park, just in case something happens. I like to put it in my kids' lunch bags, put it in my own backpack, put it in my husband's car. I kind of put them everywhere. But you're gonna get their like little like this, and they just come with little batteries like this, so you can easily replace them. They have a 2-year lifespan, so you're really not going to need to replace them that long, and they're so easy to set up, and they're so easy to just replace. They even come with a screwdriver. So you're going to get this little disc, and you're going to open up your Google Hub app. So this is Google Hub, and all you're going to do is you're going to press on here till you hear a little beep, and then it's going to show up on the phone. Of course, it's not going to do it now. It's going to show up asking if you want to connect. Yeah, I did this one. It's going to ask you if you want to connect, and then you're just going to connect to the system. And then every time you want it, you can easily just request it, and it will just play the sound of where it is. I've used this so many times too, so now, of course, now it's working. You just hit accept, and I do like to rename mine just because it makes it easier for me to organize all my tags, because I do have a lot. Yeah, so I'll even play a sound. So this helps me too when I'm losing my purse in my house, and I lost my keys in my house, and I'm just looking for it, and I can easily find it because I just go on my phone, press the sound, and we can easily just do it. So as you can hear, it's playing the sound. And then I'm easily able to find around my house. So if you're looking for AirTags for your Android device, these are definitely going to be the one you want to pick up.